and I welcome you to my channel Learn and Win with Chetana Dattatreya. Today we are going to solve some problems on application of derivatives of second PUC. So the problem number 1. Find the rate of change of the area of circle with respect to its radius r when a is equal to 3 cm and b r is equal to 4 cm. Now let us solve the first problem. Given a r is equal to 3 cm. What they have asked, find the rate of change of the area of the circle with respect to its radius. That is, we have to find dA by dr. The rate of change of area A with respect to r. That is dA by dr is equal to how much we have to find. We know that area of the circle is pi r square. You can write this as capital A. Okay, let me make this as capital A. So A is equal to pi r square. So dA by dr, what will be dA by dr? dA by dr will be pi into d by dr of r square. That is constant into function, is constant into d by dr of function. So pi into d by dr of r square is 2r. And when I differentiate r again, what do we get? That is d by dr of r is 1. So that is 1. So we get the answer 2 pi r. Now let us find dA by dr at r is equal to 3 cm. R is equal to 3. So this will be 2 pi into r is 3 here. So dA by dr will be 6 pi centimeter. So 6 pi centimeter is the answer. Now let us solve question number B. So given r is equal to 4 centimeter, we have to find what is dA by dr. dA by dr is equal to how much? So as we have already done in problem A, the area of the circle A is equal to pi r square. So the rate of change of area with respect to r, that is dA by dr, is 2 pi r. Because pi into d by dr of r square is 2r and d by dr of r is 1. That is how we get 2 pi r. Now let us substitute dA by dr for r is equal to 4 cm. Given r is equal to 4 cm. So this will be equal to 2 pi into 4. So that will be equal to 2 4s are 8. So 8 pi centimeter is the answer. So the problem number 2. The problem number 2 states that the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? First, let us write whatever is given. They have told that the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. The second is time. So we will have to write dV by dt. Why we have written dV by dt? Because the volume of a cube is increasing. So V. And the rate of change, at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Since second is time, we have written dV by dt. So dV by dt will be equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. What is the question? How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? So we will have to find here what is ds by dt. ds by dt is equal to how much? They have told us the length of an edge is 12 centimeter. So let us say A is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we know the volume of a cube. What is the formula for volume of a cube? The formula for volume of a cube, V is equal to A cube. differentiate this. So dv by dt will be equal to, when we differentiate a cube, we get 3a square. And again, when we differentiate this a, we get dA by dt. That is, a cube is of the form x to the power of n, and the differential of x to the power of n is nx to the power n minus 1. Similarly, a cube will be 3a to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2. And when we differentiate a, we get dA by dt. Let us evaluate dV by dt here. We have written dV by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. So 8 will be equal to 3 into, we know our area. What is our A? 12. So let us write 12 square into dA by dt. Now from this we can find dA by dt. So dA by dt will be equal to 8 divided by 3 into 12 square. So this is dA by dt. What is the question? The question is ds by dt is equal to how much? That is, how fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? What is the surface area of a cube? You know that surface area of a cube, S is equal to 6a square. So ds by dt will be equal to 6 into, when I differentiate a square, I get 2a. 6 is a constant here and a square is a function. So 6 into d by dt of a square is 2a. And again, when we differentiate a, we get dA by dt. ds by dt will be equal to 6 2s are 12a. So let us write 12a into, what is our dA by dt? Let us make this simple. So here we can write this as 8 divided by 3 into 12 into 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So the answer will be here 1 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 6 are 54. So 1 by 54 centimeter per second. That is dA by dt. Now let us put this value here. That is 12a into dA by dt. dA by dt is 1 by 54. So this will be 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Let us put the value of a here. That is, what remains here? 2a divided by 9 is remaining here. So if we put the value of a, that is 2 into, our a is 12 here. So 2 into 12 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So the answer will be 4 2s are 8. 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. So that is ds by dt. So our ds by dt will be 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. So therefore, the surface area is increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter. How fast is the surface area increasing? The surface area is increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. So that is the final answer. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. So let us first write whatever is given. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly. So the dr by dt. Why we have written dr by dt? Because this is with respect to time. That is 3 centimeter per second. Second is time. So the radius of a circle is increasing. So dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second. Next, what they have given us? Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. That is dA by dt is equal to how much? You have to find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. When the radius is 10 centimeter, radius is given. Radius is 10 centimeter. know the formula for area of the circle. What is the formula for area of the circle? The formula for area of the circle is A is equal to pi r square. Now let us differentiate this. So this will become dA by dt. When we differentiate A with respect to t, that is dA by dt will be equal to pi is a constant. So pi into d by dt of r square is 2r into, when we differentiate r, it becomes dr by dt. So this will further become 2 pi r into, what is dr by dt? 3 centimeter. So into 3. So this will be, and they have also given us the value of r here. So let us substitute r. 2 into pi into 10 into 3. So this is nothing but 2 tens are 20, 23 is a 60. So 60 pi centimeter square per second is the answer. Let us solve the fourth problem now. Fourth problem says an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long? First let us write what is given. An edge of a variable cube is increasing. Let us say edge is A. So dA by dt. Why have we written dA by dt? Because they are given 3 centimeter per second and second is the time. Since the edge is increasing, it will be dA by dt. So dA by dt is given as 3 centimeter per second in the problem. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing? So how fast is the volume? That is dV by dt is equal to how much? That we will have to find out. Edge is given here. Edge is 10 centimeter long. Edge is represented by A. So our A is 10 centimeter. We already know what is the volume of the cube. What is the volume of the cube? The volume of the cube V is equal to A cube. So our dV by dt will become, d by dt of A cube is 3A square. Again when we differentiate A, it will become dA by dt. Let us substitute 3 into, let us substitute the value of A. What is the value of A? 10. So 10 square into, what is dA by dt here? 3. 3 into 10 square is 100 into 3. So the answer will be 3 3s are 9. 9 into 100 is 900. So 900 centimeter cube per second. So how fast is the volume of the cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long? It will increase 900 centimeter cube per second. So this is the answer. The fifth problem. Fifth problem states that a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? So first let us write whatever is given. They have said that a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. So this is dr by dt. dr by dt will be 5 centimeter per second. Now, what did they say next? At the instant when the radius of the circular wave, what is the radius of the circular wave? R is equal to 8 centimeter. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? So here we have to find what is dA, A for area. So dA by dt is equal to how much? That is what we have to find out. So we know that this is a circle. Okay, so move in circles they have told. This is a circle. What is the formula for area of the circle? Formula for area of the circle, A is equal to pi r square. Now we have to differentiate this. That is dA by dt will be equal to pi into, what is d by dt of r square? It is 2r into, when we differentiate r again, we get dr by dt. So this will be equal to 2 pi, pi into 2, 2 pi into what is our r? R is 8 here, and what is our dr by dt? Dr by dt is 5 here. So what will we get the answer? 8 5s are 40, 42s are 80. So 80 pi centimeter square per second is the answer. So at they have asked us a question, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? So enclosed area is increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square per second. So this is the answer. Problem number 6. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? So first let us write whatever is given. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. So we will have to write here dr by dt. We are writing here dr by dt because the radius of a circle is increasing. So dr by dt. This is per second, that is time, it indicates time. So dr by dt will be equal to 0.7 centimeter per second. This is given. So what is the question? What is the rate of the increase of its circumference? So dc by dt is equal to how much? This is the question. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. That is dr by dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? That is dc by dt is equal to how much? What is the formula for circumference of the circle? C is equal to 2 pi r. Now let us differentiate this c. So this becomes dc by dt. That will be equal to 2 pi is a constant. So write as it is 2 pi into, when we differentiate r, it becomes dr by dt. So this will become 2 pi into, what is our dr by dt? It is 0.7 centimeter. So this will be 2 into 0.7 is 1.4, and we have a pi here, centimeter per second. This is the answer. That is, the rate of increase of the circumference is 1.4 pi centimeter per second.